I am Aman. Welcome on my YouTube channel Code by Aman. So guys, in this tutorial we will see how to convert .py file into .exe file. So don't skip the video, watch continue and gain knowledge. So guys, first of all, go to Google and install Python. If you don't install Python, then type here Python download. Okay guys, then enter. After enter, you can see the first link, download Python. Click here, and after this you can download here. Download Python current version 3.9.4. And guys, if you want download any other version of Python, so guys you can click here and download. And you can also the read documentation of Python and community and success stories of Python. Okay guys, after downloading and installation, open cmd. Okay guys, if using Windows R command, and here type cmd, and simple you can search here cmd. Okay guys, and then type here pip and enter. It takes few seconds. It depends on your computer speed. Okay guys, so as you can see, the in my case my pip is work properly. So guys, your pip is working properly, then close. Okay guys, and go to which folder, where, wait a second guys, here Tkinter project. Okay guys, here this is my project notepad.py. Okay guys, you can see the notepad.py, and here I already convert into .exe software. Okay guys, in this folder, then notepad, then here. So guys, you can see the software is already done into exe file. So guys, how to convert into exe file? So don't worry guys, right now I will delete this folder dist. Okay, and I did show your complete process. Okay guys, so don't worry, don't skip video, watch continue. It takes few seconds for deleting. After deleting, we will start the step-by-step process how to convert .py into .exe. Okay guys, I also delete both folder package and build. Okay, yeah. After this guys, here type cmd, because here we will open cmd, then cmd also take this directory path. Okay, that's why I am open cmd in this folder. Okay, yeah. Then guys, type here pyinstaller. Okay guys, before converting this, first of all type here pip install pyinstaller, because guys, without pyinstaller you can't convert the .py file into .exe. So guys, I already installed the pyinstaller using pip. Okay, so guys, in your case you didn't install pyinstaller, then first of all using this command pip install pyinstaller. Okay, then after this close the cmd and then again open, then the process is start, and then here type pyinstaller no console, and then python file name. So guys, in my case my python file name is notepad.py, then enter. So guys, you can see the converting is start from .py to .exe. Okay guys, that time you convert this file into exe, It takes few seconds, I think 40 to 45 seconds to converting the exe file into software. Okay guys, so yeah, dynamic libraries. Okay, wow. Yeah, only 20 seconds left, because guys install many types of libraries. Okay, so guys you can see the converting file is successfully completed successfully. Okay, and again open this package. So you can see the notepad.cpython, and in second folder build many types of files under this. Okay guys, you can see the notepad.html and notepad.exe, and then go to dist folder. Okay guys, and then go to notepad and scroll down and open the notepad.exe file. So guys, this is our software notepad.exe, and here open this. So as you can see, I converted this .py file into .exe. So guys, you can see the conversion is successfully, and here I can type anything. So guys, please like, share and subscribe code via Aman channel, and you can type anything etc. Okay guys, so you can see the conversion is successfully. Okay guys, so guys at the last you learned something from my video. So guys, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for further video notification. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram, the link in description box. Thanks for watching guys.